Hi, my name is Katie, and today I'll be showing you how to use the X tool. Okay, so this is what you're going to get when you see an X tool. It's basically a laser engraver or a cutter. So what you have is over here, you're going to have your little stands if you're trying to place any object on it. For example, right now we have these metal rods, and this is where our tools are going to go. Over here we have our actual laser tool, and it's eventually going to extend with this system, and it's going to come out to lasers, cut whatever you want to. So this is something that we've made with the laser engraver tool, and right now we're just going to engrave something on the back. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get your computer, and you want to download this app. It's called the X Tool app. It should have an X and it's green. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure to place this inside, and you want it to be straight so that when you print the words that you want to print on it, it's going to be straight. So all we're going to do here is just place it on the stilts, make sure it's straight, and then close it. Then we're going to go back over here, and if you see, it should automatically do it. Sometimes it might not, so you want to make sure to press the refresh button, and on this refresh button, it's going to take a little screenshot of the screen, and then it's going to project it on your computer. So this is our refresh version, and what we can do is that we can print any name or any kind of design onto it. So right now we're just going to make like little name tags for the people on our team. So you can type in a name. By going over here, you can change the font. So I'm going to keep the font right here. And then the next thing, you can adjust the power and everything right here. This is the power, this is the speed, so it goes faster. Over here you can engrave it, it'll engrave it deeper. The scoring will be like super light, and cutting will actually cut it out. So before you start it, you always want to make sure that you have your object selected. So for example, if you go over here, it's gonna tell you like what material that you have in there, and we have the black stainless steel, so we just select that, and then after we go here to process, and it's going to tell us how much time this is going to take. In this case, this is only going to take 34 seconds, so we're just going to press start. No. So after pressing start, it's going to take you over here, and it's going to tell you to go to your X tool machine, and then you're just going to press this button over here. And once you press that, it'll start. So it's always important to make sure that you have your exhaust on. So this is where all the fumes are going to come through, so just make sure that that's on. And then we're just going to wait until it finishes. So over here it's going to tell you that it is complete, so you're just going to press OK. Then you're going to go back over to your X tool, and if we open it up, we can see that the name is printed on. So it's for Nina.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you learn how to use the X tool. As always, make sure to follow Dotson FGC, and we'll see you at the next video.